Beneath the dense Amazon canopy, a tiny golden lion tamarin plotted survival. Her troop faced starvation as deforestation shrank their hunting grounds. Using extraordinary problem-solving skills, she remembered an old, forgotten fruit grove hidden near abandoned farmland. She guided her family silently, navigating treacherous terrain with calculated precision. Her strategic movements and keen spatial memory led them through narrow branches, avoiding predators. When they finally reached the lush grove, ripe with forgotten fruits, her clan celebrated her wisdom. One small primate's intelligence had saved an entire family from certain extinction.